Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from vsesilksarees. In this video we are going to see double warp handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. All these sarees are double warp with tissue border sarees. We have 20 plus sarees in this video. We are going to see each saree individually in this video. So if you're first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon to get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. We are manufacturers of handloom soft silk sarees. We are uploading fresh collections daily. So please don't miss our collections. Please do watch the video in our YouTube channel. All these sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified tag. We have a central government SILKMARK certified for all our silk sarees. We have different designs and different color combinations. We are going to see all these sarees in this video, so please don't skip this video. Please do watch this video fully for all the color combination and designs. All these sarees comes with a manufacturing price. So to know the exact price, you can WhatsApp us for the booking and the price details. All these are premium quality silk sarees. This is the first saree, a beautiful peacock blue with pink combination. A pallu and blouse comes in a rich gold jari work in a pink color. All over the saree you have a beautiful flower motifs which is woven in both gold and silver jari alternatively. You have both sides tissue border and you'll be getting a contrast blouse in the pink color. This is the back side of the saree. As you can see, the puttas are woven both in gold and silver jari, which is woven alternatively. All these sarees are double warp sarees of very good quality. And next is a pink with navy blue combination. A beautiful rich pallu woven in gold jari, and all over the saree you have a spade motifs which is woven only in gold jari, and you have both sides a tissue border. These puttas comes all over the saree till end of the saree. You'll be getting this puttas, and you'll get a contrast blouse in a navy blue color. This is the back side of the saree. All these puttas are woven in gold jari and it comes all over the saree. And next is a very beautiful color combination, bottle green with a leaf green combination. Pallu and blouse comes in a beautiful leaf green, and all over the saree you have a bottle green. In that a box design puttas which is woven in gold jari. With both sides you'll get a tissue border. So all these sarees are double warp sarees, premium quality silk, comes with a manufacturing price. So if you want to book these sarees, please do take screenshot and text us on the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. We'll add a link below in the description box. You can click on the link and share the screenshot for booking. The next color is a beautiful beige with teal combination. Pallu and blouse comes in a teal, and all over the body a beautiful beige color. In that you have a gold jari puttas, a round puttas which comes all over the saree. So all the sarees are individual unique design and a unique pattern. All are different color combinations. So please don't skip this video. Watch this video fully for all those color combination and designs. This is the back side of the saree. Next is a pink with lemon green combination. So if you want to book this saree, please do take screenshot and text us on the WhatsApp. You can book it from anywhere. We are shipping all over India, and we do have international shipping as well. So please don't wait. You can book it from anywhere. If you want to book, please do WhatsApp us for booking. We do shipping all over India, and we do have international shipping as well. Next is a sky blue with yellow combination. So all these sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified tag. So please do share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections. We are uploading fresh collections daily. You can contact us for any bulk orders and wholesalers as well. We do have wholesale orders. So you can contact us and you can visit us directly for more bulk orders and any wholesale orders. Next is a beautiful baby pink with teal combination. So all are very beautiful color combination in this section. So please don't miss these sarees. Please do book your saree if you want to book any of these sarees. We do have video call facility as well. You can contact us for video call facility and you can check the saree color combination and design if you want to recheck it in the video call. So please do watch this video fully and book your favorite saree. Do share this video with your friends and family and support us, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.